how to buy Ethereum on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance in easy, fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance. As you can see, this is binance.com homepage, and then you have to log into your account, and after that go to markets here and search for Ethereum, and here is it. As you can see, in the second he is the second one after Bitcoin, and then click on it like this. As you can see, it will take you to this trading page. Then go here and choose the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy, or just write the price that you want to invest on Ethereum, and then make sure that it's on buy option, not sell, and then click here. You will find buy now if you are registered to your account or log into your account. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.